How to download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to do so, you may follow up these steps. So open up the YouTube application on your device and basically find the video that you would like to download. For example, this video right here. So once you find the video, you should be finding these options like below the subscriber option. You should be finding different options such as like, share, subscribe, etc. You need to look out for this option called download. Swipe right for that and tap on it. After you tap on it, if you do not want to use the premium feature, YouTube itself directly provides you two features, which is downloading the video in 360p and 144p, which is medium and low quality. So you may look out for the quality that you prefer. After that is done, basically hit this download option. You can even tap on this remember my setting for 30 days if you prefer. After that, tap on download. And once you do so, you can tap on view and basically head over and view the video that you would like to view from your YouTube. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to head over and download videos, you may head over and follow up these steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.